Hello everyone, welcome to Professor's channel. This is where analytics was made easy. This is also a channel where you can learn the basic of statistics and data science from the scratch. This is Professor Vincent Toribongolan, a data scientist by profession with more than 19 years of experience in technology and analytics. I am also a statistician, professor, book author, and a law student from the Polytechnic University of the Philippines. Okay. Pag-usapan natin kung paano nga ba mag-withdraw ng account sa Melon Plus. And this is the procedure that we need to follow para hindi po tayo maka-encounter ng mga errors and other inconveniences. Okay, so let's go. Log into your account, log into your dashboard, mall.melonplus.com. Okay? And makikita ninyo sa ibaba, sa kanang bahagi yung redeem. Okay? So, click po ninyo yung redeem and mamili po kayo ng mode of encashment, whether Union Bank, Metro Bank, BDO, China Bank, Bank of Commerce, CBS, GCash, Maya. Okay? So far, ay yan pa lamang po yung mode of encashment na maaaring kumbaga pagdeposituhan ng inyong income. But as per the CEO's announcement last night, soon there will be more partner bank, kasama na po dyan yung ibang land bank. Okay, so after po ninyong mapili yung mode of encashment, make sure to write the email address, yung email address po na kung saan ay yun yung ginamit ninyo during the time na niregister po ninyo yung inyong account. Okay, make sure that the email you entered is correct. Okay, and then write the amount of withdrawal, yung exact amount po, ng withdrawal. Of course, syempre yung wag nyong kalilimutan yung account number. And then makikita po ninyo sa baba yung breakdown ng mawi-withdraw po ninyo. So, there's a 10% admin fee. Okay, there's a 10% admin fee na ipapataw doon sa iyong amount na i-withdraw. And then, after which, ay i-click po ninyo ang request. Okay. So, pag na-click na po ninyo yung request, i-verify po ito ng company ng Melon Plus, and then once na ma-verify po ng company ay you will be kumbaga receive the amount na iyong withdraw. Okay, so provided na wala po kayong naging pagkakamali, walang inconveniences and anything about. Okay, make sure po na kapag nag-transact po kayo ng withdrawal, okay, wag na po ninyong ulitin. Okay, once lang po kayong magpipindot para po hindi maguluhan ang system. Okay, kasi dadaan pa po ang system sa iba't ibang verification to make sure the withdrawal request po, Kasi kung ilang beses ninyong i-click yung withdraw, yung request, ganyan, ay magkakaroon ng multiple verification na kung saan ay magkakaroon lalo ng pagkabalam o mas tatagal yung gagawin nilang verification. So, as per the CEO, the amount of withdraw na ginawa mo ngayon, September 4, ay matatanggap natin sa ating bank account by September siguro mga 14 and 15. Okay, kasabay na rin po ng paglabas ng iba't ibang mga features ng Melon Plus. Okay, so there you go. Panoorin natin yung actual na ginawa kong withdrawal. Hello everyone, this is Professor Vincent Toribongolan. Ayan, I am very excited to show you how to withdraw your earnings from Melon Plus. Okay, so i-update lang natin ang aking account dahil pwede na pong mag-withdraw. Okay, so let me check first my profile kung tama po yung nandito nakasulat. Okay, So, ang i-withdraw ko ngayon ay 119,011 pesos. Okay, so ito na yung renew. Gumagana na po yung subscription fee na 500. Okay, 500 lang naman. Okay, so there you go. Pipindutin nyo lang po yung redeem. And then, mode of encashment. So, syempre, mamimili kayo ng bangko, China Bank. Okay, so China Bank, BDO. Okay, so try natin yung Banco de Oro. Okay, so yan yung email natin. Okay, so yung ating bangko. Okay, and then okay. Or pwede rin China Bank na lang. Nakakakilig naman itong China Bank na ito. Okay, sige, China Bank na nga lang. Okay. And then 13400. Okay, and then points 119,100. Okay. So, encashment amount 119,100. Okay, so admission fee is 11,910. So, ang mawi-withdraw ko na lang is yun. So, successful. So, tingnan natin kung nag-reflect na yon. So, let me check the status. Okay. Tingnan natin kung okay na rin yung subscription box. Okay. Yung renew, hindi pa. Order tracking. Okay, so anyway, based from the message from the CEO last night, no, September 3 pala kagabi. Ayan, September 3 kagabi ay isang beses lang daw magre-redeem para hindi magkaroon ng problem. Okay, so that's all guys. That's easy.